Imagine, play, create, and grow. ChildEduKids Work.
Parts of body fun learning for preschoolers, parts of body at ChildEduKids Work. This is leg. L E G leg. This is ankle. A N K L E ankle. D O E S toes. This is hair. H A I R hair. This is eyes. E Y E S eyes. This is nose. N O S E nose. This is cheeks. C H E E K S cheeks. This is lips. L I P S lips. This is shoulder. S H O U L D E R shoulder. This is tongue. T O N G U E tongue. This is waist. W A I S T waist. This is wrist. W R I S T wrist. This is thumb. T H U M B thumb. This is palm. P A L M palm. This is thigh. T H I G H thigh. This is knee. K N E E knee. This is foot. F O O T foot. This is heel. H E E L heel. This is head. H E A D head. This is forehead. F O R E H E A D forehead. This is ear. E A R ear. This is teeth. T E E T H T teeth. This is neck. N E C K. Neck. This is chin. C H I N. Chin. This is chest. C H E S T. Chest. This is stomach. S T O M A C H. Stomach. This is elbow. E L B O W. Elbow. This is elbows. E L B O W S. Elbows. This is hand. H A N D. Hand. This is finger. F I N G E R. Finger. Parts of body fun learning for preschoolers. Parts of body at ChildEduKids Work.
Kids, please like, share, and subscribe to this video. Imagine, play, create, and grow. ChildEduKids Work.